Studio 34 was the dream of 4 people who shared the same apartment. The apartment number was 34. That's why we ended up calling it Studio 34. We started in Italy. There was a lot of design studios supporting a lot of OE work. In India, we did not see that kind of an ecosystem, so it was but natural for us to feel that tomorrow when we go back to India, we would want to set up our own studio. And that's how the entire story began.
I was the first one to leave Torino when I was studying there with Aashish, Sandeep and Anand. While leaving, I was thinking that when I go back home, I have to make a mark. When we met for my farewell party, we decided on that party that when we go back to India, we will have to do something that will make a new entity.
We could see a major gap in the Indian automotive system, in the industry, that we were predominantly just a manufacturing country. We were not doing any type of design, engineering, local R&D. So we could see that this type of work was being done extensively in Europe by external design agencies, design studios. When we were in Italy, we got exposed to all such beautiful design studios. That's when we realized that something like this is badly needed in India.
We will bring Studio 34 to a level that it could be an aspirational brand and it could be pride for the country that something is built in India for India and supporting the globe for design services.